Living in a small space doesn't mean you have to give up on your dream of having a garden. With the art of growing up, also known as vertical gardening, you can transform your limited space into a lush and vibrant green oasis. Vertical gardening is all about utilizing the vertical space available to you, whether it's a balcony, patio, or even an indoor wall. By thinking vertically, you can maximize your gardening potential and create a stunning garden that defies the limitations of space. Let's explore some creative vertical gardening ideas that will bring life and beauty to your small space. 1. Vertical herb garden. Herbs are perfect for vertical gardening due to their compact size and ability to thrive in smaller containers. Consider using a wall-mounted planter or a hanging herb garden to grow a variety of herbs like basil, mint, parsley, and thyme. Not only will you have a fresh supply of culinary delights at your fingertips, but the vertical arrangement will also add visual interest to your space. 2. Hanging baskets and cascading plants. Hang baskets from your balcony or patio ceiling and fill them with trailing plants like petunias, ivy, or trailing succulents. These cascading plants will create a beautiful, lush display that adds depth and texture to your small space. 3. Trellises and vertical supports. Install trellises or vertical supports against a wall or fence to encourage climbing plants like tomatoes, cucumbers, or pole beans. These plants will naturally grow upwards, creating a stunning vertical garden that not only looks visually appealing, but also provides a bountiful harvest. 4. Pallet Gardens. Repurpose a wooden pallet into a vertical garden by filling the gaps between the slats with soil and planting a variety of herbs, flowers, or even small vegetables. Lean the pallet against a wall or hang it vertically, and you'll have a unique and space-saving garden feature. 5. Living walls. Living walls, also known as green walls, are a fantastic way to turn a blank wall into a vibrant work of art. Use a modular planting system or create your own vertical planter pockets to hold a variety of plants. Choose a combination of trailing plants, ferns, and colorful flowering plants to create a visually stunning and captivating living wall. 6. Hanging vertical garden. Hang a series of pockets or pouches on a sturdy rod or rope and fill them with soil and plants. This hanging vertical garden can be used to grow a variety of herbs, lettuces, or small flowers. Hang it near a window or on a sunny balcony to ensure proper sunlight for your plants. 7. Tiered shelving. Utilize tiered shelving units to create a vertical garden that provides multiple levels for your plants to thrive. Place pots or planters on each level, varying the height and size of the plants for visual interest. This not only maximizes space, but also creates a visually appealing arrangement. Embrace the art of growing up and transform your small space into a flourishing garden with these vertical gardening ideas.